Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, groups of words, or sentences together. It is a joining word. There are three types of conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. They are pairs of words that work together to connect parts of a sentence that have equal value. Example, not only, but also. She not only dances well, but also sings beautiful. Coordinating conjunctions. They are joining the same type of grammatical units are called coordinating conjunctions. They are never used in the beginning, in the end. Examples: he is slow but steady. Many boys and girls went for the show. Subordinating conjunctions. They join a subordinate clause to a principal clause. Examples: make hay while the sun shines. She ran away because she was afraid. Thank you.